Hey, it's Patty. Whether you've lost a key or simply need a replacement, there are a few ways to get a new set for your PACLOCK. For the best service and support, we recommend reaching out to your local locksmith or distributor. They're the go-to option for a quick turnaround and personalized help. If you don't have access to a locksmith, here are two other options for getting replacement keys: ordering directly from our website or Amazon storefront. Let's get started. If you prefer to order through our website, head over to PACLOCK.com. From the homepage, select by category from the navigation bar, then choose All Padlocks. Once there, you'll see our product line. On the left side, under Product Categories, click on Parts and Accessories, where you'll find all extra cylinders, cut key packs, and our UCS PK300 pinning kit. Locate and select the Extra Cut Keys for UCS PACLOCKs listing. Once you're on the Extra Cut Keys for UCS PACLOCKs product page, you'll need to click on both the UCS option and the Keyed Alike You Pick option. Once both are selected, a field will appear where you can input your key number. In the pop-up, type in your key number. If the number isn't accepted, you likely have a different cylinder technology. If you're unsure, feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be happy to assist you. Once your key number is accepted, hit Add to Cart and check out like normal. That's it. Now, let's cover the process for Amazon. Go to Amazon and search for any PACLOCK product. Once you're on the product page, click the link right under the title that says Visit the PACLOCK Store. You can also search for PACLOCK directly on Amazon, and at the bottom of the search results, you'll see a link that says Shop the PACLOCK Store. Both options will take you to our Amazon storefront. Once you're in our storefront, click on the More drop-down in the navigation bar and select Extra Keys. You'll land on a page with key options for every PACLOCK cylinder technology. Now it's time to choose the type of key you need. Here are your options: UCS, Standard Rekeyable, PACLOCK Pro for the 98 Pro and PL410 Pro locks, cylinder locks, and Disc Lock Pro keys. For this segment, I'll be using UCS as the example. Once you're on the product page, select Customize Now to enter your key number. In the pop-up, enter your key number. If it isn't accepted, you may have a different cylinder type. Check our other cut key listings or message us directly. We're here to help. Once your key number is inputted, hit Add to Cart and check out like normal. Here's a quick shortcut to make navigating our products even easier. Scroll down to the From the Brand section on any PACLOCK product page on Amazon. Swipe right one slide and you'll see direct links to all of our extra key listings. Just one more way we make it easy to get the keys you need. Now let's go over some troubleshooting tips. If you can't remember your key number, don't worry. The key number is stamped directly on the key itself, so it's easy to locate. If you've lost your key or didn't save the number, check your original order confirmation, especially if you selected our Keyed Alike You Pick option, where the key number will be listed. If your locks were ordered keyed different, the key number was randomly assigned out of thousands, and PACLOCK does not keep a record of it. In that case, you may need to drill out the cylinders and replace them entirely. If you're unsure how to proceed, feel free to give our team a call. We're happy to help. PACLOCK Pro Tip: save your key number in a contact on your phone under PACLOCK so it's always accessible when you need it. And just like that, you've got extra cut keys ordered and on the way. Thanks for joining another Paddy's Lock and Learn. See you next time.